Get it started? Mm-hmm. Okay, hey guys. Making a magical creation. Right now we have melted Slurpee. And that is cherry Pepsi and normal Pepsi. And it's melted. And we're going to make a magical creation. So we have wild berry juice. Okay. We have some milk. Oh Jesus, it's so good. Just a little bit of milk. Just a little bit. Where's the milk? There it is.
Dude, that's a lot. You're lactose.
I am lactose intolerant. I'm doing this for you guys. And apple juice. Oh jeez. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. Those are our ingredients, and I'll just stir this up. This looks amazing. Okay, so that's the creation. It looks kind of like coffee, but
Or chocolate milk.
no. Okay, I'm honestly quite scared to try this now. Okay, ready? Okay, hold on. Get my full thing. Show my reaction. Okay. It's really. It tastes like a. Ugh. I don't like it. It tastes really weird. It's like. Tastes like Pepsi, kind of. You can taste the juice. I can't taste the milk, but it can because it makes it more creamy and thick.
Do you want me to try?
Okay, here. I'm gonna take this now. And this is Cassie. Cassie's gonna. She's gonna try it with her yellow straw. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just.
Yeah,
It's
kind of like sourish.
Yeah, because apple
You can
juice.
taste the juice.
I put a bit too much apple juice in it. I might put more milk in it, just make it gross. Here, let's go find more something else too gross to put in it. This is gonna be Cassie's kitchen, because we basically hang out here like every day. Let's see.
Don't put that
We
in.
can put some steak sauce, or we can put some. Ooh, let's put some V8 in it.
There's an open one.
Okay, we're gonna put some V8.
You might hate V8.
Okay. Just because we want to hear. Okay, hold this. Okay, so I don't know if I should shake this. The hell? Oh, got it. Okay. Woo! That's V8.
Ew.
Are you gonna try it this time?
Ew!
Okay, I'm gonna just stir it up. Yeah, it's kind of a reddish tone. Let's put a bit more in there. Just so we can make sure that we taste it. Puppies, shush.
Ew.
Okay, so we have V8. So now the creation is cherry Pepsi, normal Pepsi, apple juice, what is this? Wild berry milk V8. Cassie, ready? Hold on. Just hold it. You ready? Oh, I don't want to do it. It smells really weird. It like I don't even know. It smells like I don't know. Ew! I don't know. It's like tomato juice with like a bunch of fruit in it. It tastes really weird.
You wanna watch?
It's not that bad. It's not like a really gross taste. It's like, ew. It's just, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay. Well, I think that's it for now. We might make a new creation. Let us know if you have any ideas of what we should put in it. So yeah, that's Cassie. I'm Taya. And we're gonna go brush our teeth. Peace out.